Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Ethereum using Trust Wallet. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and create a new wallet. You'll receive a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down and store it securely. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds if you lose your device, so keep it private and never share it with anyone. Now let's get some funds into your wallet. Open Trust Wallet and tap the Buy button. Select Ethereum from the list of cryptocurrencies. You'll then see various third-party providers. Choose one that suits your needs, keeping in mind their fees and available payment methods. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to buy, for example, $100 worth. After selecting your provider and amount, carefully review all transaction details. This includes the exchange rate, any associated fees, and the total cost. Once you're satisfied, proceed to payment. You'll typically use a credit card, debit card, mobile payments, or bank transfer. Confirm the purchase, and your Ethereum should arrive in your Trust Wallet shortly, usually within a few minutes. Always double-check all transaction details before finalizing any purchase to avoid errors. For enhanced security, enable a passcode or biometric authentication within your Trust Wallet settings. This adds an extra layer of protection for your assets. Remember to explore other features of Trust Wallet, like staking or swapping, to maximize your crypto experience. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.